Hello everyone, welcome to Aero Modeling Club. I am Vishnu Kumar Singh, leading Team Maverick for SIS 2023. Here we will addressing the problem statement which is provided by the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. As per the problem statement, our task is to provide a drone-based surveillance system for the vessels plying on the port and encroachment. As our major focus will be on surveillance of Cochin Port, which spans approximately 2,200 acres and situated on a delta. The Cochin Port serves multiple operations, including shipping, transportation, and military purpose. To efficiently cover the vast area of Cochin Port, we have developed a state-of-art which we call the LEAST.
Now introduced with the innovative technology called LEAST, which stands for Long Endurance Aircraft Surveillance Technology. We named it LEAST because our aircraft require minimal cost and minimal energy.
We are designing a surveillance drone with VTOL technology, which does not only provides the feature of virtual takeoff and landing, but also allows us to operate it in remote areas with limited space and without a runway. Yes, you heard it correct, without a runway. Furthermore, we have also incorporated a catapult system to conserve the takeoff energy. Additionally, we will be implementing the most efficient static tubercle technology to the wings of our UAV. As you can see here, it is inspired from humpback whale to increase the overall aerodynamic performance of our system, as it reduces the drag and increases the lift and also delays the stall. The static tubercle technology has come out to be very efficient for post-stall regimes at low Reynolds number, though the flow physics is still under investigation.
Comes to our navigation system. Here we have decided to use IRNSS system, which stands for Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System. Actually, we opted for IRNSS because it's based on RNSS system, which is specially designed for the regional basis navigation. So it is much accurate than the other GNSS system like Lavastar, GPS, GLONASS and Galileo and etc. Now we are also implementing the Navig navigation with Intian Constellation and Gagan GPS aided geo augmented navigation together to get a high level of precision in our mapping. And this navigation system is India's very own technology, making it much secure than other countries' navigation, because in Cochin shipyard, Indian Navy also performed various military activities.